Step inside the surrounds of this immaculately maintained and peaceful home in the quiet neighborhood of Tamarac. This 2 bedrooms, 1 bath home sits on a 4,001 square foot lot. Relax with friends and family at the front patio while overlooking the garden and lawn area. The casual and cozy living area provides an ideal place to come together and enjoy quality time. As we walk into the renovated kitchen, notice the granite counters, full backsplash, and newer appliances. Time to bring out the chef hat. Voluminous bedrooms are enhanced by beautiful parquet flooring and plenty of natural light. Then, by the kitchen, you'll walk through double doors that lead to an enclosed sunroom. This can be used as a 3rd bedroom or a huge family room. With an indoor laundry area, your laundry day will be convenient and efficient. Enjoy summer days in the beautiful backyard with lush landscaping. This lifestyle community also offers a pool and a clubhouse. Beautifully finished with a neutral color scheme, this home offers low-maintenance living. What are you waiting for? Call us today to schedule a virtual tour.